Hi, everyone. This is Jesse Vestermark, librarian for the College of Architecture and Environmental Design based out of Kennedy Library here at Cal Poly. And here I'm going to show you how to find and isolate for physical books in our temporary space at Crandall Gym, which is building 60. So I'm going to start by doing a search and isolating for, I'm going to do a search distill architecture, the distill movement, and I'm adding architecture to start isolating specifically for architecture books, because right now Crandall Gym is primarily composed, filled with architecture books. Most of the other books on other topics about throughout for all the disciplines at Cal Poly are in storage. But we can browse architecture books at Crandall Gym. So doing a search for distill architecture and seeing what results come up. Now, as I mentioned, I'm getting some that I would have to request through interlibrary loan that can take several days to arrive. Even if it's a local copy unavailable, that means it's somewhere else, it's in storage on campus, but it still takes a couple days to get it to our lockers where you can pick them up. So I really want to find right now books that I can immediately browse. And those have a call number, which is highlighted in blue on my screen. And I'm looking for the ones that have NA at the start of their call number, because NA is library code for architecture. One way to get, so right now I have 722 results. So I would really want to narrow down and refine that. So the way to get to just the print results is if I go to the filter on the left, scroll down and choose main collection Crandall. You'll see that there's a little number 27 next to it. Now I have 27 results, most if not all of which are findable at Crandall Gym. As you can see, available at Robert E. Kennedy Library, main collection Crandall. Okay, so once I know that and I have that code, how do I actually locate a book in the building? Well, for that, I'm going to switch from this screen. I just need to remember that the call number for this book I've chosen, number 2 on my list, Architecture and Arts, 1900 to 2004. The call number code is NA680.A567. So when I switch over to these screen caps, this is just reiterates what I've just gone over. And then when I get to the building, this is what it looks like. So how do I find that book? Well, at the end caps of each of the aisles have little there are signage guidelines that tell you what range of those codes fall from left to right on the shelves within. So once I start scanning those, I'm looking for the NA 680.A567. And here it looks like I found it, started with the NA 200s, then up to 680, then NA 680. And this looks like the A's are here. So this is probably the range in which my book will fall. And sure enough, when I turn right, I start scanning those A's. And here is my book, N80A.A567. And these are actually decimals, sorry, which is why the 567 falls before the 8.A57 and after the 8.A5667. Anyways. So there it is. That's the book I was looking for, Art and Architecture and the Arts. So I hope that helped you kind of become more comfortable with navigating the space at Crandall Gym, starting from the Kennedy Library homepage.